How to find Instagram password and username. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how you can find your Instagram username and password, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into the Instagram app. Perfectly, now when we're on the Instagram app, then what we need to do is to actually, firstly, we can find our username, and that is the easiest one to find because you can see that in the top left corner it says nft.inspo. That is basically my username. So your username is always written in the top left corner, as you can see. So that is very easy to find. But if you want to find your password for your account, then that is not as easy to do because Instagram does not directly display your password somewhere in here because obviously of security issues. But I will show you another way to fix this actually, so keep watching. So what we need to do is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. Perfectly, now click where it says settings. Perfect, in here we need to click where it says security. Great, as you can see there's a couple of options in here, but the first one that I want to check for you is the one that says saved login information, so click there. Great, basically make sure that you have this one on because that means that if you would log out from this account, then you will be able to log back in again without a password. Basically it will just remember this device if you have this function enabled right here, which is great. So make sure that you have this function here on and then go back to the settings once again to the security option. Well, basically you can also try to click where it says password. Perfect, in here as you can see they don't display your password directly, but you can click where it says current password, and sometimes if you're lucky and you have saved your password there like before, then it will actually pop off a password for your Instagram. Basically if you have that saved login information on your phone, then you will be able to click on it and just be able to see your password, as I can see here. For example, I just need to verify that with my Touch ID that this is me, and I will be able to see my own password on Instagram basically. So this is exactly how to do it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and please subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.